what?
Who are our best friends in the world?
Trash cans right now.
Trash cans!
It's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh my! There's magic in the air! all the fun and magic to celebrate this time of year. I'm so happy we get to spend it with all of you. And there's no better time to celebrate than right now.
right, so I think that's going to do it for the firework display, otherwise known as Minnie's
Wonderful Christmastime firework show.
So overall, we kind of swapped up our spot. We didn't go to the dessert party this time because, as we said in the prior video, very expensive. Still was about $84, $89, I believe, per person. And I feel like we actually had a better spot where we were because you could actually see the projections on the castle, which was really cool. Overall, I thought the show was great. I mean, I really like the music behind it. I just feel like we've seen other ones that were better for holiday specials. Wishes. It had fireworks going all the way around, and they had to block it off. I just felt like there wasn't really much of like a pop in that show. I mean, it was cool to see the projections, but it was kind of the same stuff that they did for Halloween.
It was good.
No, I'm not saying it wasn't
fun.
bad.
Like, the music selections were good. They were classics for the most part, with a few new ones thrown in. But I felt like the Halloween one had more of a story to it.
Which was cool.
I felt like this was more so just putting fireworks to music.
And a display on the screen.
And a display.
Because this is new this year, actually, as well.
This was brand new.
This was brand new this year. I just feel like there should be a factor that makes it, like, interesting. I mean,
I felt like if there was a story to it, like, it would have been my favorite one ever.
Yeah, you could have
because the music was great.
You could have put them on the castle. You mean like how Halloween they had?
Yeah, Halloween they had projections up on the castle and it told a story.
I don't disagree. I think that would have been a cool addition, but I mean, we'll see if I'm assuming they'll probably bring it back next year because they put all the time and effort into making it for this year. So
you never know.
We'll see. I mean, it's something to check out if you're there. I thought the fireworks were really cool.
They were really good.
They had a couple of really cool ones that made the little whistling noise. And then they had the ones in the castle that were spinning as well.
Yeah, that was cool. They had some projections onto the castle.
Yeah.
That looked like they were extra.
And then they also had Tink, which was quite the surprise because we weren't expecting Tink to come out of nowhere.
We were not expecting Tink.
So that was pretty cool. But overall, I feel like we had a better spot where we were this time. You could see it straight up instead of having trees in our way. In our original spot, we would have had poles in it. So I was kind of happy with where we got.
I found it.
To go this time. Ashley did a good job spotting that out. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Like I said, if you haven't gone to the Christmas party, I would definitely suggest it. Give it a shot. There's a lot of treats. We'll be coming out with a couple other videos from the Christmas party this week. We will have the parade up tomorrow. So the Christmas parade, which is otherwise known as the Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas Parade. Once Upon a Christmas Time Parade. Really cool. We'll have our thoughts on that as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you're in the area or you're planning a trip,
definitely come and check it out. It's fun.
Check it out. It was fun. We went on a Sunday. It's actually really not as bad on a Sunday from what we've seen. We've gone on Friday. It was really bad. We stayed overnight at Swan and Dolphin, and there wasn't even parking available for a guest even staying at the hotel, so they had to valet our car. So Fridays, I usually would try to avoid it. But obviously, if you're down here on vacation, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
There's going to be crowds.
They have Wednesday ones.
There's going to be crowds no matter what. And then later in this week, we'll also have some of the Christmas theme rides. So we have Tomorrowland Speedway. We get some footage of the Monster Laugh Floor. And then we have Space Mountain from the People Mover. Overall, like we said, check it out. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be having out more of the Christmas content coming this week.
Yep.
We also have some other ones from some of our adventures on this weekend before the Christmas party as well. So stay tuned. Thanks so much, guys. So once again, I'm Alex.
I'm Ashley.
And this is Disney's
Party of Two.